Hello guys, today I will show you Samsung Galaxy S5 Mini. It has also LTE, Super AMOLED display in HD, 8 megapixel camera, and it's supposed to be water resistant. So we have here phone, here is quick start grid, and there is battery. Of course, data cable. Here is charger. So here is headphones with volume buttons and pause play. Okay, I will put it back. I don't need this. Okay, so we have 2 megapixel camera, fingerprint sensor. Here is 8 megapixel camera, flashlight, sensors, and here speaker. On the left side there are volume buttons. Here is micro USB connector. And here is power or lock button. Here you can see 3.5mm jack and infrared port. And the seal makes this phone water resistant. There is slot for micro SIM card, micro SD card, and NFC. Okay, I will put battery inside. We'll close it. You have to do it properly if you want to have water resistant phone. So I had to turn it on and it's starting. Okay, it's supposed to be a good phone for good price. Okay, English. I don't have SIM card inside. You need to connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, I will put my secret code. And now it's connected. Automatic date. Some diagnostic data. With Google, yes I have, but I don't want to set it. Some location to Google. My name, last name, first name. So I don't want to set Samsung account now. Dropbox for 2 years, 15 giga. And device name. So it looks very good. So I will show you this. You can do it as you want. If you need something or don't need something, you can move it like this. So, okay. Now I will show you this. I'm looking for, it's here, about device. And you can see it has Android 4.4.2. So there is it's including everything what you need. Camera is 8 megapixel. Video is in Full HD. So it looks like a very good phone for a good price, around 300 euros. So thank you for watching and check my other reviews too. Bye!